A couple of days ago, a court filing came out that showed Satya Nadella, the CEO of Microsoft, set a goal of $500 billion in revenue for his company by 2030. He knows Microsoft inside and out, and this was supposed to be an internal document. So probably he knows something that we don't. Their revenue for year 2022 was $198 billion. That's make it a 12% top line growth, which is in line with their growth history. I decided to use this new information and calculate what would the price for Microsoft stock be by 2030 and what is their intrinsic value today. So without further ado, let's get into this. Hello and welcome. I wanted to first thank you for watching this video. If you like what I do here, please consider liking the video for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to the channel. It will help us a lot. So here I have created a table that will help us calculate the intrinsic value for Microsoft. We will do two valuations, one a little bit undervalued and one a little bit overvalued. Hype around Microsoft is usually high, so it's totally possible that the overvalued calculation happens. Their revenue for year 2022 was $198.27 billion. We look at their June quarter because that's how their fiscal year is scheduled. And if you're wondering about the tool I'm using, this is Simply Wall Street. It's a great product that I use daily. You get access to more than 50,000 company information, valuation and news, past performance and future growth estimations, financial health and dividend data, management compensation and insider transactions, ownership structure, and much more. You can create and follow the performance of your portfolio by adding your buy and sell history, create different watch lists, and read the news for them and different markets. They have 3 different plans. I'm using the unlimited one to get access to everything, which costs $20 per month. But if you use the link in the description or pinned comment, you can get 40% discount and with 2 weeks of free trial. So with a low price of $12 per month, you can easily do all the research you need. I think this is a must-have tool for every value investor. Now let's get back to what we were doing. If we grow their revenue by 12.27% every year until 2030, we will reach their internal goal of $500 billion. They have a 33% free cash flow margin, so we add that to our calculation too. In 2022, they had $65 billion of free cash flow, and by 2030, they will have $165 billion. We will go with 20 multiple for the little bit undervalued example, and 30 for the little bit overvalued example. If we expand that, Microsoft will have a valuation of 3.3 to 5 trillion by 2030. Right now, they have 7.54 billion share outstanding. For simplicity, let's imagine they won't pay any dividends and use all the free cash flow to buy back their shares, which is mathematically would be the same thing if you reinvest all the dividends into Microsoft stocks. For our two valuations, they will have 5 to 5.75 billion shares outstanding by 2030. So their share price, which is dividing their valuation by the number of shares outstanding, is going to be like this. And each share of Microsoft stock will be worth $660 to $860 by 2030. But a dollar tomorrow is not worth a dollar today, so we need to discount it into today's dollar. We know we want to get a 15% return each year, so we use 15% as the discount rate for our calculation of intrinsic value. We divide the share price by 15% to the power of number of years passed, which will give us $215 to $280 as the range of intrinsic value for Microsoft stock today, if our assumptions were true. With today's price of $335, it seems a little bit overpriced, which you can see Simply Wall Street agrees with our calculation too. So we wait for the price to come down a little bit and then reevaluate the situation. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to try Simply Wall Street Unlimited account using the link in the description and pinned comment. You have a 14-day trial period, so make sure to test it out. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button to get the notifications and never miss any of my videos. It will help the channel a lot. Have a great rest of the day and see you on the next one.